Good afternoon everyone. Today we are going to study about the exercise 10.3 addition and subtraction of time. How can we add and subtract the time that we are going to study today? So let's start the question number 1. A part. We'll do the A part. It is a very easy part. So we have 7 minutes. We have 7 minutes 15 seconds plus 5 minutes 35 seconds we have to add them. So we will make two columns. First column is of minutes and second column is of seconds. Now we will leave a one line for carry. We will leave a line for carry because it's addition. Now we will write minutes under minute and second under second. Again, minutes in the minute box and seconds in the second box. Now we will add them, and this will be how we add. We will add the section of seconds first. From the right hand side we will add. So this is 5 plus 5 10, 1 carry, 3 plus 1 10, 4, 5, 0, 50. Next one is 7 plus 5 12. So here we have 12 minutes and 50 seconds. So this is how we are going to add. Next question is question number B part. B part of addition, and it is 2 hours 23 minutes. 2 hours 23 minutes plus 1 hour and 17 minutes. Now add them. We will make two columns. Of first column is of hours and second column is of minutes. Then we will write hours under the column of hours and minute under the minute section. And now here we have 1 hour and 17 seconds, minutes. Now we will add 7 plus 3, 10, and 1 will be carry, and 2, 3 and 4, 40. And this will be 3 hours and 40 minutes. It is a very easy question. Now we are moving to the question number C. And C part is saying 3 hours 18 minutes 22 seconds, 3 hours 18 minutes and 22 seconds plus 2 hours 27 minutes and 31 seconds. 2 hours 27 minutes and 31 seconds. Okay, let's add them. Hours, minutes and seconds. We will have 3 columns now. Hours are 3 hours, 18 minutes and 22 seconds. Here we will have 2 hours, 27 minutes and 31 seconds. Now we will add them. And this will be 3, 5. Here we will have 1 carry, and this will be 45, and this will be 5. So we have 5 hours, 45 minutes and 53 seconds. Now we will do the question number D, and question number D is 4 plus 7 minutes 38 seconds. Now we will make two columns, one for minute, second is for second. One line for carry. Now we will write how many minutes we have, 4 minutes, seconds 54, and here we have 7 minutes and 38 seconds. Now we will add them, and this will be 8 plus 4, 12, 1 will be carry, and 8, 9, 92 is here, and 7 plus 4 is 11. Now listen very carefully. If we have minutes or seconds more than 60, it is greater than 60. If it is more than 60, then we will subtract 60 from here and add 1 here. जब भी हमारे पास मिनट्स में या सेकंड्स में 60 से ज्यादा सेकंड्स या मिनट्स होंगी, तो हम उसमें से 60 माइनस कर देंगे और उससे आगे वाले जो भी मिनट्स या आवर्स होगा उसमें हम प्लस 1 कर देंगे. Now subtract and you will get 32, and here you will get 12. This is 12 minutes and 32 seconds. Now the question number E. Now we will do the question number E. It is similar question. Better to do the question number F. Now we will do the question number F here. And F part we have 1 hour 37 minutes 32 seconds and plus 5 hours 33 minutes and 28 seconds. Now we have to add them. We will make 3 columns, one for hour, second for minute, third for second. We will leave one line for carry. Now write down 1 hour, 37 minutes and 32 seconds. We have to add with 5 hours, 33 minutes, 28 seconds. Now add them. Here we will have 8, 9, 10, 1 will be carry, 60. Here we will have 70, and here we will have 6. Now listen very carefully. As I told, if we have more than 60, we will subtract 60 from here. अगर ये more than 60 है तो हम 60 माइनस कर देंगे और एक 1 को हम यहाँ ऐड कर देंगे. Now this will be 10 and 7. Now what about this? This is equals to 60. तब भी हम क्या करेंगे? 60 को माइनस कर देंगे. यहाँ भी 60 ही लिखेंगे because हमने कोई चेंजेस नहीं किए हैं. Now this is 60. We all know that 1 minute equals to 60 seconds. So 60 seconds अगर हमने सेपरेट किए तो हमें क्या मिल जाएगा? We will get 1 minute, and this will be 7 hours and 11 minutes. Right? But what about the seconds? Now seconds are zeros. We will not count seconds now. So that's how you are going to add. Now we are going to do the question number 2, where A and B are in your homework. Question number 2, A and B are in your homework. We will do the C part now. A and B is in your homework. It is very easy to separate. Now we have question number C here, and then we will do the question number D. We will do 2 questions here in subtraction. So the C part is 6 minutes and 35 seconds minus 3 minutes and 45 seconds. Now we will make two columns, one for minute and second is for second. You can leave one line for borrow and you will write 6 minutes 35 seconds and 3 minutes 45 seconds. Now subtract them and you will get answer. But you can't subtract 45 from 35. So you will go to the minute hand and you will ask for a borrow. That 6, please give us a borrow, and 6 will give you a borrow and it will become 5. And we know 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So here we borrow 1 minute, but how much we get? We get 60 minutes. Sorry, 60 seconds. And 60 seconds plus the 35 seconds we have, we will add them, and that's how you will get total of 95 seconds. Now you have 95 seconds. We will add them because 60 seconds we borrowed and 35 you have. So this will become now 95. Right? Now you can separate 45 from 95. This will be 0, 5 and 2. So the answer is 2 minutes and 50 seconds. Right? Similarly, we are going to do the question number D. Question number D is 7 hours and 12 seconds minus 3 hours and 42 seconds. Now, to know how will you do the subtraction, you have the hour and second. Where is the minute? Let's do write the minutes hand also. And here we have leave one line for borrow if we have to take a borrow. Now the 7 hours and 12 seconds. Here we have 3 hours and 42 seconds. Where is minute? There is no minute in the question, so we didn't write the minute. Now can you subtract 42 from 12? No, we can't subtract 42 from 12. So we will take a borrow from 7. If we take borrow from 7 and 7 will become 6. Right? And this will be 1 hour. And we know 1 hour equals to 60 minutes. And this will become 60 minutes in 1 hour. So here we will write 60. हमने 1 hour को borrow लिया तो यहाँ पे 60 हो जाएगा. अब हम borrow लेंगे minutes में से. And minutes से हमने बोला that please give us the borrow, and we will take one borrow from here, that's why it will become 59 minutes. We all know that 1 minute equals to 60 seconds. If we take 1 minute, then in seconds hand it will become 60. So 60 plus 12, it will be 72. Now we will write 72 here because 60 minutes 60 seconds you borrowed from here. 1 minute को अगर आप 6 seconds में लेकर आओगे तो वो हमारा 60 seconds बन जाता है. Now these are the 72 seconds. Now you can subtract 42 from 72 and this will be 0. So 2 minus 2 is 0. 7 minus 4 is 3. 59 and here we will have 3. So here we have 3 hours, 59 minutes and 30 seconds. And the last part F is in your homework again. It is very easy. Thank you and have a nice day.